I just stumbled upon this repo which shows you how you can game stream on Kubernetes. Sounds very interesting. Even if you're not interested in streaming the games on Kubernetes, this repo has got some really cool things which I wanted to show in this video. So first, let's have a quick overview of what exactly this repo is doing. All this repo is doing is provisioning an EKS cluster on AWS using some GP3 volumes with it with the storage class, and then using Carpenter as provisioner. And then afterwards, what it does is it provisions some NVIDIA's GPUs, and then this Carpenter provisioner, which is sort of a autoscaler. Once that's done, it simply goes in and enables this NVIDIA device plugin. And then they use Go, and Go is simply a game on Rails thing. And this is where you can read more about this Go thing, which basically what it does is it provides the main container for the implementation of Kubernetes deployment. And they have their own repo, which is here, and I will put the link of it in the video's description. And I will also do another video on it in detail. So anyway, you don't have to worry about Go for this video. So what I wanted to show you was that how easy it is to provision this game streaming. First, as you can see, this is a YAML manifest for the GP3 storage class with the EBS CSI driver. Once that's done, they go here and provision the Carpenter. And if I just scroll up a little, you will see that this is a usual Carpenter provisioner manifest file with the server values and instance categories and the operating system specification, some TTLs, then the node template. And this is fairly interesting. We are in the node spec, they are giving the user data for the virtual machines or EC2 instances, which will be provisioned with the help of that Carpenter. And they are installing Tailscale here with the authorization key. You don't have to go into this detail because this is mainly related to NVIDIA and that stuff. But you can use this concept for your own project if you are looking to use Carpenter with some of the user data in your own project. Now, this is how they have used the EKSerial to create the cluster. The very, very usual stuff for EKS cluster with IAM on OIDC for the IAM stuff, and then some identity mapping, Carpenter managed node group they're using. They're not using Fargate, and then the add-ons, the usual add-ons, core DNS, EBS, proxy, and all that stuff. So you can see the Kubernetes infrastructure is very uniform. All they have done is they have enabled that plugin on top of it for NVIDIA, and that's about it. I hope that you found it interesting. I will put the link to this repo in the video description. Thank you.